Alright, as you guys can remember, I built this computer a few months ago, and due to the prices of the graphics card, I decided to install this RTX 3060, but well, unfortunately it wasn't that good on when I'm doing some videos. It works fine, but sometimes I got crashes, and well, I think it's time to move forward and do the investment over this guy right here. Alright guys, well, let's open this guy and see what we got over here. As you guys can see, this is the Asus stuff gaming graphic card, and well, let's go and see and open this guy in here and take this thing out. Alright, look at this guy. Let's see what he got inside. First of all, we got the graphics card right here inside the package, anti-static package, and there's gonna take this out. But let's see what else is inside the box. We got this nice guy right here. Got the this cable that I'm gonna see if it's bent the right way, or I'm gonna get an extension. The ones that in Amazon, I'm gonna post it on the video down below in order to avoid fire. Remember, this thing gotta be all the way in, and this is the basically the piece we use to hold the graphics card. Okay, right here. And if you guys pull it all the way out, you guys got a nice screwdriver if you guys need it, but well, I think I don't need it. And we're gonna install this guy right now. We are going to remove this older guy. Look at the difference, guys. Well, let's take this out and see how it looks. Okay, now let's go and take a look of my RTX 3060 Ti, and let's compare it with the big brother right here. Look at this monstrosity, guys. Look at this thing. Whoa, look at how, wow, oh my goodness, the huge difference between these guys. Look at this guy, look at this baby right here. It is insane, but I love this car. Probably I'm gonna sell it, or I'm gonna put it in my kid's computer. It's a huge difference, Let's go install this and let's see how it looks like. Alright guys, before I show you how it looks like, just a quick reminder. Remember, don't do daisy chaining here because that can be dangerous. Just try to get every wire individually. That's what I'm gonna do. Fortunately for me, well, I got my power supply under here. As you guys can see, I got it this wire coming from behind basically the motherboard. But in this time, probably I'm gonna use this hole right here, and I'm gonna connect it this way. I got a Phanteks case, big enough. Basically, my unit is gonna be from here to here, and if it wasn't because it's wide enough, it's gonna hit this wall right here. But I'm gonna remove this area right here. That's what I love from Phanteks. They are very easy to do different things if you want. And let me show you the power supply I'm using. And this is it. This is the power supply I use, and they say you guys can use 850 watts, but honestly I got in my mind that I'm gonna replace this in the future, and I went right away, returned the 850 watts and get this one, and I don't regret it. I love this guy right here. As you guys can see, you got a multiple connectors. Nice power supply. Right, let's go and put this together. Alright guys, and well, I got something extra today, and this is the main and one of the most important thing here. This wire, this cable from Corsair, for all those guys that have the PSU from Corsair. This is the RN1000X, and this cable have two connectors and got up to 600 watts capacity. And you guys can have it in the link down below. I'm gonna post it right there, and that way you guys can see if you guys want to get this one or another one. I recommend you guys get this one. This one is very nice. Take a look how it looks like in my hand, and take a look at this guy. You guys can see the finish is really nice, and this area you guys can bend it. This one is real hard wire, and we can bend it depending for example the position of our graphics card. We can bend this thing up or down, and it's gonna stay like that, and it's very sturdy. The connectors are very good. Remember, this guy right here gotta go all the way in. Two connectors, 300 watts each, and well, let's go and connect this guy. Alright, well, as you guys can see, this one we got 1, 2, 3 and 4 if you want to put individually, but in this case, well, I just gotta need to use these two guys right here. And let me go and connect this here. Let me just go and plug this. Okay, and you guys hear the click right there. You guys probably didn't hear it, you guys can feel it. You guys got one there, and push it, and then make sure, try to pull a little bit, make sure everything is good. The secret in here is make sure everything is all the way in. And well, we got this one, pretty nice wires. Basically, look at this. I'm gonna get it out from here, and basically it's gonna be like that. You guys can see, take a look. Basically the unit is gonna be like that. Look at this. You guys see this curve right here? Well, look at this. It's real stable. It's not a flimsy connection. It's real stable. And the only thing we're gonna do right here, we're gonna make sure this thing, you can move a little bit if you want. This is just to make the curve. And well, let's connect the graphics card, and we're gonna plug this guy. Alright guys, now with this area right here, remember I told you about this little thing right here? Well, the purpose of this is to put it together, and as soon as you get the distance you guys want, the distance desired, you just use this thing and bend it right over here, and you guys keep going and going and going until you get the angle you guys want. And well, you guys gonna fix it. You're gonna do this until you get this shape. Alright, now take a look. It's a perfect L basically. You guys plug it right there, and it's not gonna touch, and it's gonna keep the shape in place. And with this guy right here, you guys can keep the nice weight looking, this wire organized. Alright, well, let's go and put this all together. Alright guys, now take a look at this, and if you guys go and take a look right over here, basically this is gonna be perfect. And you know, you guys see the wire, it's gonna be clear, completely clear right here. Just gotta press a little bit over here and take a look. This guy right here, like I told you guys, This is some kind of brush. Take a look. You guys can go all the way down and reshape this little by little until you guys got the nice looking of this guy right here. you.